In this video, we'll be examining how phylogenetic trees are structured. To explain everything, let's take a look at the example tree. This phylogenetic tree shows the relationships between different items of clothing. Each item of clothing is an OTU, or Operational Taxonomic Unit, which can be a species or strain of virus, or even different alleles in a species. This is an example of a rooted tree, as the distance between OTUs is known, and the order of divergence is inferred by comparing to an outgroup OTU. In this example, the distance between OTUs is represented by the length of lines in the tree. Our outgroup OTU is one that diverged earlier than all other OTUs, and it roots the tree such that all other OTUs share a common ancestor. In this example, our outgroup OTU are hats. This item arose from the first divergence, resulting in the separation of clothes and accessories. From this split also emerged the common ancestor for all other items. This common ancestor is represented by what is called an internal node. These nodes are shown on the example tree as the small circles. The next divergence in the tree results in the tops and bottoms phenotypes. Let's take a closer look at the OTUs that came from the common ancestor for tops. Here we can see cladogenesis, where one lineage has split into two. Another type of species formation is anagenesis, which shows the evolution within one lineage over time without the branching of the evolutionary line of descent. Cladogenesis splits the top lineage into short and long tops. This divergence resulted in the OTU of sweatshirts. Short tops then further split into those with buttons and without buttons. We can now see how t-shirts fit into the phylogenetic tree. The split also resulted in the most recent common ancestor for Hawaiian shirts and polos. The most recent common ancestor can be seen if looking at a specific set of taxa on the tree. If you follow the lineage back, the first node you arrive at is representative of the most recent common ancestor. Now let's back up the tree a bit and explore how the OTUs in the bottoms category arose. From the common ancestor for all bottoms, the short and long phenotype developed. This phenotype evolved twice independently, once in the bottoms and once in the tops. Here we can see the most recent common ancestor for shorts and skirts had the short phenotype, and the most recent common ancestor for sweatpants and jeans had the long phenotype. Looking at the tree as a whole, we can now better appreciate how phylogenetic trees are structured and organized.